Kong International Airport. I'm going to show you a little quick salad I have brought from the United States, and we're going to do that right here, right now. So this is going to be a light lunch, very healthy, just a lot of salads and spring mix. So this is going to be a great way to fill up your energy through the day while waiting for your next flight. Okay, first I got the spring mix here. And then I have a little sweet glazed cashew. And have a little box for mixing. And Mr. Chai's collection of the sauce that he likes. I like it too. Okay. So today I'm going to use a little bit of let's go for the sweet and sour sauce. So we also have some sweet, a little sour, tangy tangerine. I always got that name confused with tamarind and tangerine. So that's tangerine. And this is the crisp, honey crisp apple, and it's going to be a really quick and bright and fruity salad. And I also picked up a little, this is a little sweet caramel rice puffs that I'm going to put that on top, use it as a croutons. It's kind of like a Chinese salad, you can call that, okay? And I have a little bit of the condiment sauce here that we're going to use. And we have some vinegar, we have some black pepper and salt, and some spicy hot oil for any of you spicy lovers out there. Okay, let's begin. Grab as much as you want with the spring mix. I'm going to do about 2.5 handfuls of this. So we're adding some cashews here. Just adding some different texture to our salad, make it really nice. Okay. Not an ideal knife here to slice an apple, but we're going with it because you cannot bring a knife on board with you, and this is the safest. Right, got some apples in there. Got some tangerine in here. I'm going to just add a couple of slices there. Perfect. And now this fun part here. So I didn't intend to find these here, but since I found it at the cash register when I was ordering the bubble tea, I thought, what a cool idea. This reminds me of croutons, you know? Oh wow. That smell, like that caramelized and that rice puff. And this is one of my favorite childhood snacks that I love too. So we're just gonna, maybe my hand will get too sticky. And just add a couple in here. Just gonna get, okay, we're good. I'm gonna save the rest for my snacks after the salad. So I'm gonna put all of it, right? And I'm going to add this sweet and sour sauce now. You never know, it comes very handy when you're traveling across the world. Okay, now I'm going to add a little bit of vinegar. So you see this here, the vinegar that they have at this little cafe here. So I'm just gonna drop a little bit, add that tanginess to balance out that sweet, and then I'm going to add a little salt too, because you want, you know, a little salt here, bringing out the extra flavor from the fruits, from the apples and the tangerine, and that's all. This is done. Here you can enjoy your freshly made salad right in any airport around the world. Wow, this is surprisingly delicious. I'm gonna pick that one piece of cashew too. The sweet crisp apple, and you get some tangerine here. Perfect idea for traveling, because you will need this and it will keep you hydrated all day and throughout your flight. So I hope to see you guys next time when in Cambodia. So hopefully I can show you some of the very authentic, more just home flavor in the Cambodian market that we're going to find. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon. So we're just waiting for the next flight, and we found the hot water station finally. And so I'm going to fill up my water mug here with hot water.